What's up guys, in last video as you saw we discussed about the tree map. In tree map we can easily represent the highest cell and then lower than lower than lower, and we can easily describe as you can see in my previous video. If you missed to watch how to make a tree map, then you go in my playlist and check it out how we can create a tree map in Google Data Studio. It's very easy. So let's move on the second page. Today we are going to discuss about how we are going to make a bar chart. That is very important part of the representation. So bar chart is very attractive. So I click on add to chart and select bar chart. Okay, and automatically it takes the values like dimension and matrix. So uh, let's drag and fit on the dashboard so that we can easily represent and make it attractive. So it's showing like dimension is record counts and customer ID. So by the help of this, let's drag and fit. Okay, let's move to upper side so that we can see easily. Okay, and in this we are going to change the dimensions. Okay, we are going to select the category, subcategory, and the product name in the dimensions. Okay, so I select the category and let's drag from here the subcategory. Okay, I think it's let's try one more time. Select and drag it here. Okay, I'm going to like add dimensions. We can add dimensions one more time. So let's on the drill down option add a subcategory and again select again product name. Let's move the three things in the dimensions and select the, let's move to the matrix. In matrix we are going to select the sales and so let's select the sales. Click here, it takes automatically, and let's move the optional matrix. We are going to select the profit. Okay, so in this video we are going to use like drill down option as well as the optional matrix. So we select here the profit. So our var chart is ready in the data sections. Like we already select the dimension and matrix. So for making them more attractive, we need to go and select style. Like we need to click on the style, and here drag it low. This is the vertical. If I will click here, it will show vertical, and if I will click in the right side, it will show horizontal. Okay, so we can change the position as per our requirement. So once we will click here, so it will show the total number of the values. Okay, and here you can select the color, like what color you want. I'm going to change the color, like I'm going to select this color that's showing more attractive the dashboard. Okay, and here the axis, it shows axis. If you will select here, then it shows just another side. Here we can select the background, like this is showing here we can select the background color. We can change the background color. So here we are going to select green color that's showing more attractive dashboard. Okay, that's it in the style, and I'm going to click on view so that we can see how attractive our dashboard is. Okay, so I click on here, it's showing sales. So this is the drill down option, up and low. We can select select the category, subcategory, and product name by help of the drill down option. So we can change here again and click here again, and inside of the drill down options, like click here again. This is the optional matrix. We can select here for the sales and profit. Like I am going to select the profit and uncheck the sales. So here you can see the profit, like for category and subcategory, and by the help of the product name. So you can choose by the help of the drill down, that will show the profit. Okay, so drill down option is very important in the representation, so we can use that one. And this is the optional matrix. It's very, we can select both, or you can select one by one, like sales, one time sales and one time profit. So here you can see, like sales and profit combined. So in this video, the motive of this video is to learn drill down optional matrix, and the bar chart. That will help to make a interactive dashboard very easily. So that's it in the video. Keep watching, and my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And uh, if you missed any video, please go in my checklist playlist and check out the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.